Today, I'm excited to guide you through the entire process of crafting the visual wonders of creating an AI song using a variety of free AI tools. Plus, we'll venture into alternative tools for a fresh music video perspective. Without further ado, let's jump straight in.
Your vision, initiate your shading, blend the universe together in time. It only gets a little easier. Suddenly piece yourself back together now.
The main tool we'll be using is Suno to create the songs. It generates the music and vocals, and it's pretty user-friendly. Just type in the genre and topic, and it generates lyrics for you. Let's go for the same frog rock concept as before. You can choose to stick with the generated lyrics or switch to your own.
In a world of gears and circuits, a new creature takes its form.
It's a trial and error process until you get a full song you like. For the music video, we need some images. I'm using Playground AI, which is of course free. Let's go for a 16:9 aspect ratio with a frog playing a guitar and a neon mecha style. Play around with styles until you find what works. It's a bit of trial and error, but you'll get there. Now, we need to animate these images. I'm using Pika Labs 1.0, which is on a waitlist, but you can use it in Discord until you get access. It's straightforward. Upload the image, add a basic prompt, and you're good to go. Pika Labs has some cool features, making the animation process smoother. Editing can be a bit tricky. Lip syncing for characters like these is a challenge. For the band shots, I had to get creative by animating them separately and layering them. It's not always a walk in the park, but with some creativity, you can overcome the hurdles. After editing, export the video and use CapCut's 2x upscaler for better quality. It's a quick and easy way to enhance the visuals. No fuss, just a simple quality boost. Lastly, we need an album cover. ChatGPT can help with that. It's not perfect, but with a little tweak, we can make it work. And there you have it, our visual journey is complete. Let's play the first music video. It's a mix of the song we created and the visuals we put together. Check it out. Now, let's move on to the second song, using Suno with a different genre and songwriting approach. Let's see what we come up with this time. Experimenting with different styles to keep things fresh. For realistic visuals, we'll use Midjourney. A different vibe this time, but let's see how it goes. Play around with prompts until you find something that fits your vision. Now, for lip syncing. HeyGen is a paid tool, but it's easy to use. If you're on a budget, Wave2Lip and Sad Talker are free alternatives. It might take a bit to get the hang of it, but it's a solid tool for lip syncing. Moving on to animations with Runway ML. This time, we'll explore Gen 2 for a different visual touch. Play around with prompts and styles until you get the animation you want. Let's play the second music video. It's a mix of HeyGen and Runway ML magic. Enjoy!
Purple haze all in my brain. Lately, things just don't seem the same. Acting funny, but I don't know why. Excuse me while I kiss the sky. Purple haze all around. Don't know if I'm coming up or down. Am I happy or in misery? Whatever it is, that girl put a spell on me.
Now, on to the third song with Suno. This time, we're going for a groovy neo-soul vibe. Let's see what we come up with. A different flavor this time, exploring the versatility of Suno. For dreamlike visuals, we'll use Kyber. It's versatile and adds a unique touch to our visual narrative. Experiment with prompts and motions until you find the right blend for your video. And finally, the third music video. This one incorporates Kaber's magic with our sonic creation. Take a look.
Possibilities where algorithms mirror human dream. Yeah. Connected in a digital tapestry where minds and machines intercede. Oh, yeah. Dancing on the edge of the singularity, we find ourselves in a harmonious unity. Echoes of infinity, the future's melody, where human and AI coexist in synchrony. Oh.
That wraps up our creative journey. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough. If you found it helpful, make sure you leave a like and consider subscribing for more. Also, check out this video. You might find it helpful in your AI adventures. Until next time, happy creating.